Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Edmund Osternaar, and I'm a master sommelier. I've spent over 30 years becoming an expert, and I think you will learn something very well tonight.
Okay, you probably guessed. I'm not really French. I'm from New Jersey. So how does a guy like me become the first American master sommelier?
Us waiters, we were just kind of doing our job, cleaning glasses. All of a sudden, he's looking here, and he goes, "Rodney." Oh, baby.
Hey.
He goes, "Pierre, the sommelier, he just called in sick. You the man." He goes, "Here's the rules. Red wine, it goes with meat. White wine, you serve that with fish."
I made tons of money there as a sommelier. So I thought, why not go to wine school in France? So that's what I did. After wine school in France, I went to England and took the Master Sommelier exam. I was the first American to pass it. And voila! That meant now I was the first American Master Sommelier. And with this honor comes the awesome responsibility to share with you what I've learned about entertaining with wine.